Hello riders, welcome back to Classic Rider Hub. Today we are comparing two of the most popular commuter motorcycles in the market, the Hero Splendor and the Hero HF Deluxe. Both bikes are known for their reliability, fuel efficiency, low maintenance cost, and comfortable riding experience. If you are planning to buy a budget-friendly motorcycle and are confused between these two options, then this video is for you. Let's start with the design. The Hero Splendor comes with a classic and premium commuter look. Its styling has remained popular for many years because of its simple and practical design. The bike features attractive graphics, a comfortable seat, and a clean overall appearance that appeals to riders of all age groups. On the other hand, the Hero HF Deluxe offers a slightly sportier and fresher design. It features modern graphics, stylish body panels, and an attractive fuel tank design. The HF Deluxe looks more youthful and is often preferred by younger riders who want a budget motorcycle with a modern appearance. Now let's talk about the engine. The Hero Splendor is powered by a reliable 97.2cc air-cooled engine. This engine produces smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. It is designed for daily commuting and offers a refined riding experience in city traffic as well as on village roads. The Hero HF Deluxe also uses a 97.2cc air-cooled engine. The performance figures are quite similar because both motorcycles are built around the same platform. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and enough power for everyday riding needs. When it comes to fuel efficiency, both motorcycles are among the best in their segment. Riders often report mileage figures ranging between 60 and 75 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style, road conditions, and maintenance. This makes both bikes ideal for people who travel long distances every day and want to save money on fuel. Now let's discuss comfort. The Hero Splendor is known for its comfortable seating position. The seat is wide and well cushioned, making long rides less tiring. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads and speed breakers comfortably. The HF Deluxe also provides a comfortable riding posture. The suspension system absorbs road bumps effectively, ensuring a smooth ride. The seat quality is good, and both rider and passenger can travel comfortably for daily commuting purposes. Talking about features, the Hero Splendor offers practical equipment such as an analog instrument cluster, side stand engine cutoff feature in some variants, and i3S technology that helps improve fuel efficiency by automatically turning off the engine during long stops and restarting it when needed. The HF Deluxe also comes with useful features, including i3S technology, stylish graphics, and a simple yet functional instrument console. Depending on the variant, buyers may get additional features that enhance convenience and efficiency. Now let's compare maintenance costs. One of the biggest reasons behind the success of both motorcycles is their low maintenance cost. Spare parts are widely available, and service centers can be found almost everywhere. Mechanics are familiar with these bikes, making repairs simple and affordable. The Hero Splendor has built a legendary reputation for durability over decades. Many owners use their Splendor motorcycles for years, with minimal maintenance issues. Similarly, the HF Deluxe is also known for dependable performance and durability. It offers excellent value for money and remains a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. Let's talk about pricing. The HF Deluxe is generally priced slightly lower than the Splendor, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for maximum value at a lower budget. The Splendor, however,